Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making white rice flour. You can either use white rice or brown rice to make this flour. You are also expected to wash the rice in order to remove the dirty. Excess water is expected to be drained out here, so you have to sieve it thoroughly. I'm going to be using this tray to dry the rice. The tray is to be kept at any corner of your kitchen. You are not expected to dry under sunlight. After the rice must have dried, you are going to be adding it into a coffee grinder in order to blend it into smooth powder. This shows me that it is already blending into powder. After the blending process, kindly sieve with fine siever. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.